How many men do you sleep with?
A day, I can sleep with 6 or 7 people.
A day?
A day.
6 or 7 men?
Yeah.
How?
Like, a day, like, each man, each person that I take inside, then after the person, then I'll go back and find another person every day. Then that's how I used to do.
Oh my goodness. 6 or 7 men in a day. How do you take it?
Abusia nti wote ye a day one memma mako 7 ena eda oye Nigeria ni Igbo ni onu ankasa e confirm e wo video we mu say oye Igbo ni ena ne sister de na ba Ghana say o de na o de o ka che no ho say o de na ba Ghana aba be sales girl e wo provision shop mu ana say shop mu Ghana. Abusia de ko wi ane say o be ahyawo adwuma wo Ghana aha e Giami Media bomode say o be subscribe wa share wa like ne busu ku ne gwa ya kakraka I know the acheme lighting and everything is for, but then you manage na enin komo. I can't say me home family intino. Kasa ne enkostro or format now the acheme. Share thought with me on the comment section. Na subscribe na share like ne busu kunungu enye kakraka. Abia inti abaya yi adwuma de ne ba Ghana so mama no. Inti yenko ne yenkuti story na ono ankasa represent ye de ma Lawson TV ye maame crunchy e wo ne show so. Na it's very funny. Ye ba Yebeka ho asem. Ye ntie ni nyina de short one. Yeba na aka ho asem. That's it.
I'm 23 years.
23. Who brought you to Ghana?
My sister.
What did she tell you before coming here?
She told me that I'm coming to do...
Talk louder.
She said that I'm going to be working in business, that I'm going to be selling provision stuff. So...
When did you come to Ghana?
I came January.
January?
Ending of January.
So you've been in Ghana for almost 6 months now?
Yes.
Like, how many men do you sleep with?
A day, I can sleep with 6 or 7 people.
A day?
A day.
6 or 7 men?
Yeah.
How?
Like, a day, like, each man, each person that I take inside, then after the person, then I'll go back and find another person every day. Then that's how I used to do.
Oh my goodness. 6 or 7 men in a day. How do you take it? How? Do you take any drugs?
I don't take any drugs.
So how do you take it? Your energy level, where do you get that energy from?
I don't have any energy. If I'm tired, I will just go and relax myself.
6 to 7 men a day. How much do they pay you?
Like a day, each person is 50 cedi. If the person lasts long, then I can tell the person to add money for me. That is how.
Abusuya chese, wane emema ensia ede konson me maame otifie me maame nom wodwom ebi ntebrofo na se mo maame nkyire mo kakra nkyire mo akrai se ni nua ne sister ene de ne ba Ghana ha na ode ne ba no oka se oba beton provisions adwuma enko ode ne ba be ye no na obedu Ghana na ode ne wura be sibram emema nsia ede konson ena ne de bia na de bia ba ku bia waje. You rest
like
during your business?
No, there's no resting day. Is it only in the afternoon or in the morning?
No, how about when you are in your menses?
Even in my menses, I used to do it.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there men who prefer the menses?
No, they will not know, because there is something that I use to cover myself. Like if I'm in my menses, then I'll use the cotton wool or I'll use my pad to put inside, so that even if you are doing anything, the person will not know.
Oh my goodness. The person will never know that you are in your menses.
Yes.
Do you take any drugs after the sex?
I don't take any.
Oh, Chief, good morning.
Yeah, madam, where?
Nyame adom na so eh.
Bobo.
Na Nigeria ni na akatwi sa no.
Ebende.
Hey, your force and Chief.
Nipa no kata, ara nipa no wo ye pa person kata na.
Chief, I am from Pomani.
I don't tell me to say me do.
Chief, I am an ampache force eh.
Ari odi ka abo amane.
Producer kana mantini ye ntimpache odi ni siso mame.
Yedi ko mo we dia bebe.
Matia, wukuru mu ni bi na aba ha say wo say oye Iboni na ye de ne ba Ghana adwuma ye kan say oba abeye eye provision shop say oba ye de na ye ba sibra adwuma ne sobro ne so ni fie no kura no wo fom eto be so san akọ ne kuro mi pese e ho kwan a ye be fa so ama na san akọ
Wa o ma de na ba say obe horo draw so.
Ja wa wunim adwuma ya ebro ma so yi.
Except ayo bi adi ka frame anu pa no ho no. Utie.
Yeah, chief me patch you pa.
So bi adi ka frame man pa ana me ka say okay. Maybe masumo obi baba ho why.
Nigeria ni beba ha.
Me say obi baba ho ne no nya go on tara why.
Matene chief ya manatena ha nanka ye hwe say ye be hu the go ahead say bia ye de na call ye manatena ha afidie so na wo dai atiefo ne ahwefo ya dance fo ntie pese ye nipa ne ba die na ye de ye nua ba favor.
O say ade ni say nipa ne ba ansa. We want to make an answer now. Edi hu nkomo. Ansa na e de hu way forward. We want to make an now. Me so obeko, ana na so obeko.
I was so oko.
Because nipa no frame man opano, o ka tell me to mo be boss kakra. Sa no ka tell me nipa na frame man opano, o station hon. On. So an me ka say okay, maybe small obi baba ho. Oba ho ele wi, o mo ka wi obetimi akwene.
Okay.
But maybe small a friend nipa na da legal team. Ya association ye wo legal team.
Mate. Na chief say ekoba say obi fi mu kro mu ba deception ye da ne say wo ba be ye adwuma we no oba ne de ne be ye ahye wo business a mo wo regulations bi a mo ahye de ato ho no mama sankofo no.
Dario, where they are is just NGO. Where would they make an answer now? It just where any na you. Where just free will any na you.
Na say we ye no to say contact enye ku ade bi.
Daddy.
Na mo Nigeria fo ku obi wo ho a mo yes an hye no.
Madam, we are speaking to Nigeria Youth Association President Ashanti Region.
No tina mi bisa o say ye fro o sen nti aja mesre we ni die mo ye fidie so na wa kire say ye frame me say me position ye say what am I say?
Anu tell na face na me busa say o ye ejuma ye papa say na o ye.
Nti aja me ye ejuma wa ye papa e bia na me nim wo a me no wo kasa nti no ani say ejuma wo ye sabio enye illegal wo ye nyame so ejuma. Nti bo udi na ka position kire ye.
Me dear Francis Martin Obidike. Martin Obi. Wow, Obidike.
Nti obi mpacho position ye den.
Yeah, the president of Nigeria Youth Association Ashanti Region.
All right, nti Asante Mantam Nigeria for maburu nyina wo na oye wo mu titinani a oda no. Matias nti nipa na so wasoma no ye twen na ye hwe kwan a ye be hwe na ye di favor akọ why?
Ono na make say me so ma me legal team obeba ho.
Me pacho mate.
Ono kaza favor me bisa na no pa. O ka baby otiri. Where would I make an answer?
Mate.
No. Enti your friend omu chief na in fact in chief ni so was obi na ba ho said you say the conversation the coin. And I'm asking myself say atwekudi fake as server claim kwasiampe na ba betanka na tete bode timbetima na nsenhia abokokura na nsenhia sekan na onu no di ya buru ni ya abe no ne so mfa so ene sema na Igbo community for no so Igbo leader adenti ana saafo nkopo mo kira kwa amomodwuma mfa anya waga na ani se ba se obetima parody ne ho ayese wo hene oye me hene pom na odi ne nkwase afahye yam festival Ghana hanum se yeba no so we se sebi o yale bone kodiwo HIV a onche a day mema makoma 7 na ne kokoda awale for fa se 7 no 7 a day no awale for be 6 edi esije ni ba kope na we yare ebu ne ho a wo bete no de akoma ho kani we wose ye ne check up eye memo no made nyina ye ko hwo mo kira kwa ne ka ye mo check up ne hwo mo jim de yakọ de ba yate Ghana ha ene yeso so ukoka na Ghana ni bia be face wo na na yadabo ne nkrofo bia be gina wo say ai ene Ghana for city sita na alata for no say the Ghana for team is ita foreigners for no ade ne yes ade ho ne san kwase asem no ye de ho na chichikuru eno me ame ne me nua ba e debate o TikTok. I mean na ye ka South Africa for asem ka cho me say South Africa for ade na mo ye no e ye hwam ne ko start ye me say na no asem bisa dada asem no de si ye no de ne si ye di ankofo e kontoka Nigeria for na ko parade omu ikosi Igbo king e o masa aseso ene ma ade ni na aba ya ene obuso omu pampam sabi asane Ghana for no obi a na we ya man kwan also TV station we no eye no proper proper investigation ye de ne ba no documents and aso documents permit be ne de ma no ye de ne kan ne sen nti we no enye se bia ntwide de ba baabi ane ye de abaye be pie radio station wo any TV station, Lawson TV, Lawson Radio, credit and come yet now about this particular show, so no better asema. About you better gonna have Jamaya, our limu, our muba, at as a Ghanaian. Nay, a foreign and a dibonio, nay, a foreign and a chair, dear. Okokani, a catcher saying, yes, she, yaw, na ho, only the abuse almost as who about trouble to boom, who about the kunipa, ye genuine little crucial. nti na wo se nka mo che abaye de koma police for na police for interrogate wo mo na mo wi ade ne ba Ghana de san che se nipa ko no bisa nse permit be no wo gwa otimi de obi ba Ghana se nipa no bo akoko hwebra na wo se nka mo ye sa interview no mo interview ge no nka wo se mo ye sa checks ni na mo ko chi nipa kro no because ya anya sa eto ntwada de bie da wo mo ube hu 15 years 16 years 13 years obobo olufo kakra otimi kokoro ne baby kakra bi na ne na be si Ghana yakoka kire omo ho se ye de ne kokane na kurase ye kumodu movies a ye kumodu movies ya ne twa no Ghana hai yi obi ti nkan aso aba na okuro kesi no ba mbesa de wo no de ne kono koton pure ta kwa ho nti omo kwa saa bi omo no movie no omo yi na me de ne ko Ghana na Ghana work day bla 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 no de na ba o de ne ba na be si bra me se ba ku bi aka so ho ntamo obi twa sende me akwara bi pa 15 years o ni fi ni 50 gene shara ko bisa ni fi 15 years ana o ma dress akola yi na o ma hye ne wig na o mo che ne nanti obitima nanti aka che mema no ne mema akoda na we wo yade bi a o te yade a hospital no de yeden ti no ase wo che ta wafo no te na o mo de mo ho Ghana HIV no ebe kosoro the was go me o mo nche no wọ́n mko chi nipo na ode ne ba ne sister ko na o se so ko sister na o se ono ode ni nua na e baga na ba ba SS girl na ode na boss akohwebia ne ye o se ke ye chi sa nipa kro no ye chi sa ma me kro no because we be community ono nko ode ne ba yo mu busa ni ya nyo nko ode ne ba he oni different comfort aka ho aba a o mo so nemu mo ba akohwebia ne bia e bi o mo de na ye o mo de ayo akomu yi o ma mo ka nti o mo buso o mo ba o mo de o mo me kan kire police na so mo kan kire e bia be houses bia omu yese di se wo ma no omu yese di se kuro no at the end of the day na bedi nya beto Ghana so na Ghana mpanimfo ayo mu hwehwe ni mu Ghana fa ni say leaders ene politicians na hwe ni mu akogina ho na wakogin tokona ko wa so mu ni say nkofu ade omu yero kom enye papa enti mu de hofo mu ji hofo na se hofo ya de bone a mu ntimi se chenka nkyere wo sa de ya de bone yeti kuro mu bitimi di papa abra no papers abra no hwe adentia because of ECOWAS law we be 90 days mahwe se obekwa na se onkoye okwa na se onkoye atokwa abrochi na ukodi sanse hunu bu ha ye bebo mo aba ye be chew ye be deporto hompo na proper checks ye adwuma ye ka ho asem deport ikrabo e bitimi dwane nti Ghana ha bitimi dwane so se mo hwe niema because mo ntimi nkonteni ntimi nya niema kra for so study these people because mo muti kroma krampo na adwuma krampo me na ebo achibidi adenti na o se masa nkofo kwa mo metena koma se ye oman na tukudi no kwa bedina wo so no obedi yam festival onkudi ya festival ne ye hwe wonka ho onkudi ni yam festival no ne ye hwe na Ghana dan before no gamanche ene Ghana hampanifo a mumu ya hemfufo a mumu ti akonya so a mudi sa abayira fa hye festival no na se mbetena o ma akwa wo yakodi ni yam festival nka so ne ene mbetena ko mapa ye be ka bi a kyerem afi ye ba ye meka nyansa ye ba ye ntumfu ye bi dimatem no ma police fa ba cheche ye ba ne ya brum nua na wo hunsa mpa no ko eje na bibi e wo baabi obi akofo na bosom abehye krutia ajeji abosom no so se me ba be yi me ba pete bayire abetwa emoja di amom no ma ye nhwe han ma ye dina mo hwe sa nipa kro no because of what? Because of his car. So ne da no see have big expose me de bebro mo voices ni na ho nipa de se ni afre me atre me bi na asase ne wo enema mo ye wo so eni bebia ne school ni bi ya wo mo de tam twuku me that particular story ne de abro me de abro edi asem ti ye de ye gi hoho bi ahoho se bi so hoho a wagimi a yenim se hoho do wagimi ye gi hoho bi hoho ne mwaye hoho ne ba be save kuro na ya dwen se oh ye de yemu ye de hoho na chichi kuro ye de nipa na chichi kuro enye hwe ye nkrofo wo man so nti omo so de o ha enye hwe but bisa ho se enipa do se na me Ghana fo a omo Nigeria sesi omo bo ahye wo bra na omo nkrofo abegu Ghana ha bo ahye wo bra bisa ho Ghana for ye de nse ye adwuma enye Ghana ni bia na ye papa enura debate na mo ni life say ayin na Ghana for kwa ni papa bono for Ghana 53 more den ena me sister ba ko e de example life no say ono do bi oti e aleta ni na age no aboa no na Ghana ni kro ne ko no ko di odi na abro se kare Ghana ni kro anka wawu na me say no kore ya Ghana for ni papa bono for ayin ebi ni papa bono for ebi num enye yeti ase but the high rate that these people will do like wickedness no e chen kuri. And come to think of it, we ni krampo oku na onye hu hwe se de musipun wankasa mo nkrofo kwa Nigeria hwese no muso nkunku omo hore ekunku omo ton je rituals na wo Ghana ni no okuru mpete kura do du na ma ebi beka inti me say me mpen kofu wi asem mpende empechena they are wicked people omo ye nipa bonefo ibufo ye nipa bonefo Igbo Nigeria alata omo ye nipa bonefo me say Nigeria ni ode ho Nigeria no say me good me de me ye che wi ase nipa nya no wo wu no ode ho say bram omo ye nipa bonefo hwese do bi aba Ghana so ma me ye adwuma ampa so Ghana ha adwuma na say but kakra bi a wonse krom bia otimi ye ebi kura dina traffic mu ton peak ni nema e no mo de survive buta akra na ba bi bi dabi onfa na ha mu e ma magiska akra ko 23 years oni member 7 day to ye adwuma we asa 4 years a oye adwuma we asa 4 years a obi betimi aba oba beti aka sema mo 1000 mo 2000 hwe na one man shower ba ni manda no na da ro na nipa we wo yaye no wote a na sa 4 years na obeye no the mama sankofo mem sam mem na do mom because omo so ma ha mu e yo mo de na omo nyam adwo so me fo baba ko no bo ho ka dabi omo kwase we lai to ko ko shia kola we ya kola e day 7 fa na ham na we e be bua kru ye de chichiri kru we mi na e be wu agu kru mu haw na ya ka se Nigeria Ghanaian aya as I cry mareho aha e jam media mamu to comment section one mamu to comment section one eyi na tu si ye pro yempo the yam festival ne dia obedi na Ghana for so aka che ne say also obedi a no problem onkudi yetikru mu aye hwe no this time those time they yen hwe han this time we are not going to sit there for these people to intimidate us. We are not going to sit there and allow these people to threat us whilst we own the Ghana, not useless people like Alitarians and Igbos in Ghana. Oman ya dia. Enya no mo dia o. Na no me kon ye do moja. Ye sika taxpayers man no mo dia hyehye man no. Ti se mo so mo pekro ni bi so atana. Mo nko mo kro ngotua tax ma mo kwase atini bu no. No fa hyehye ni man. Enya ha. 7 men a day. 23 years. Hwe ni mo de to. We kon kwa ni mfie ni kwa wa fake. Mfie ni kwa we kon kwa fake. Ukom kwa 19 years. And wo bo be sibra. Messi, ni kwasi ya chiwe no. Jordan ne ba na ose yakwache no. Do ya campaign na mu no do pempo maare mu na ose kone yakwache no. So ye be ma so ye oba ye kwakoku kwa ni sei. Maybe are connected to the kwan be so dia pa no kato e friends immigration for team a otimi dia kwado wura Ghana e be bo ahyawo. E dia no kato immigration for team na mo immigration for there. Immigration ni papa o ye adwuma de ho so na de wo so san kosese mo so de ye so mkuse ye so mbre ye nkaso mo mo fa ye nko obi ni hwe ka kire mo sebe na mo tumi no kura mo nsem na nka hu se wiase no sebre ye ni we nkaso sebre ni nka ye ni nkaso amrene na we Yesu Kristo nsem di brene na enya permanent o your own life enya permanent enti de mo di yo man ni bia mato ajeje mu mo de muji pay nyese muji pay bata de mu de kakra enti no na edigwe ma ba begu Ghana abeche yare abedidi bro e de ahye Ghana fo we ya kase Ghana fo nya because we mu ba se ono obi connection so akere wo ahode ne nkwado ba kodi akire no kwa akoye ni akase Ghana one Ghana fo na eye because Ghana ni suru muja Ghana ni tu kwa monone kwa performance word ni se ko ye adwuma no nya sika de aba ne krum na ka Ghana ni be sole se okọ ayi South Africa kwa ye adwuma enya di ba dentia adwuma we ni o ma we mu asetina papa good system ni o ma we mu enti na ni be so no ho se okọ South Africa omo jot ba ko pe hu ko mutimi wo mo ho se kan na ni pada se ni Ghana ni asole se okọ ho no nyanseni brempon this year te se wo Ghana ni asole se wo okọ South Africa Kuria a friend say almost shop any part so say no onwe te say CCTV camera because one way a asemalanko 3 seconds cow or my asole dem kurampo no omuwura broad daylight ko bokro no Ghana had the same robbers in there or maybe and obi kura ni asole ho kidi na sefo na ne we bi na omakofa na adwuma okofa we dey broad daylight asofu preach ne brand omu nsuro nyame nsuro bosum nsuro hwe South Africa funu god na nipa de senya so kwa kwatena wo eye fi any boni e wo mpedifo ntim o mo ba na o ma fasika no da show butum na o ma fasika no da show butum na o mo mma no mbusu aye pompo fi na o ma na ebre nti na Ghana ni be so kwa South Africa na ye hwe kwa me nkroma o si dan po baby na oda odu ye baby oda omutwa bae up to now yen apartment bia yen twa da papa bia chese Kwame Nkrumah de siye osima na yere oyese na so ne 3 years 2 years obekọ obefira bemu na ne tundu ankwa be de ho ne V8 be de ho na dan ya wakuku bi si as politician because mo ndwene oman no ho mo di bi mpona mo ma bi kwan kanya hwe ukokan ka tese yaye kwan ukokan ka se yesi hospital a ono ne bayare ono ankasa yare ne ba ne yire kwawo ne bi kwawo ano de na kwa buchiri na ye de mo chiri ho si ne yakoho na mo kunye ne de akwose mo chiri ne yeko Nyankopon hwem aha Ejami Media bo mo de so be subscribe wa channel wa like ne buso ku ne gura kakaka na mo adwo nkyere o comment section say chuku di so pa onkodi ni yam festival Ghana force yetia ye hwe no se ni kombiriwa se nkran sase so ni na ye Ghana baby bi obeso odi ni bia ye part of Ghana it is nkran for gamanche ene Ghana traditional council so man kwan no so be ko biriwa e ho so ye Ghana ye be face wo be ko bia be face nya na ze o se ne dem ho no odi no siasema akwa abusia am phone say makra bye bye.
The estimate, fine. We have 3 major tribes in Nigeria, which is Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbos. Among these 3 major tribes, Igbos are the least number. They have the least number of states. They have only 5 states out of the 36 states. The Yorubas have up to 7 states. The North, which is the Hausas, have over 19 states. All right? So if any Igbo man tell you, oh, we are 80 million, it's a lie. You know what? One guy came here, me, because I live with them. If any Nigerian is speaking, me, I can tell you where he or she comes from. One guy came here, he said, I'm a Nigerian. What I want to say is this, sir. One guy came here, his name was Vodi. He said he's a Nigerian, and he totally condemned it. That guy is a Yoruba guy. But you see these Igbos, they will always defend, they will find ways to the extent that they will be telling you that, oh, why are Ghanaians complaining? Are they not Ghanaians committing crime in the US? They just want to, instead of them to say, oh, we agree, what our brother did is bad, and condemn it. No. Instead, they will come and defend whatever the person is doing. Bro, if you guys continue to agree for these people, I'm telling you, in the next 15 years, you have indigenous...
15 years, it's fine. 5 years,
we're talking about something about tomorrow, you say 15 years.
You have Igbos claiming indigenous...
About now, you say 15 years.
So
they already started.
You have Igbos claiming to be indigenous to Ghana. Me that I'm speaking to you now. If anybody tell you that, oh, the Igbos are more than the Yorubas, it's a lie. Yorubas have been in Ghana way before. Way before. Just that the Yorubas are more of law-abiding. And if they are in somewhere, you will never notice them because they will not cause problem. They will not. If you go to a place like Akwetia, if you go to places like Akwetia, Chebi, you will see more of Yorubas that has integrated. My grandfather was born in Chebi. We have a cocoa farm in Chebi. You understand? So these people have been in, even during Buzia time when they sent them away, it was more of the Yoruba that they sent away because they were more and they have proper. But you will not see a Yoruba person coming to tell Ghanaian that, oh, we lazy. But Igbo man will call you Ghanaian a lazy man. He calls South African a lazy person. They are disrespectful and so arrogant wherever they go.
Yeah.
Please.
They see themselves as they are better than any other African country.
You see, among them, sir. Me, I live with them. 5 states they have. Among the 5 states, the Anambra people see themselves as more superior than among Igbo. Anambra person will see himself more like the state is quite different. Let's assume say, okay, we have Ashanti region. Now Ashanti region, let's say Goso person will see himself more superior to maybe let's say KJT person or KJT person or Mampo person. That's among themselves. And these guys, to be sincere, these guys are cannibals. Every crime that you hear in Nigeria must start from them. Check, please go to your internet and type Evans. The Nigerian most wanted kidnapper or the notorious kidnapper Evans. Just type him, Naibo boy.
I know him. I made a story about him.
All right. I said 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, they arrested 6 Igbos with 3 Mexicans producing powder in Nigeria over $438 million. So if they succeed in that crime and become rich, then you that you are doing a legit job, they will come and tell you, oh, you are lazy. Because you are not rich. That's why they call South African lazy. They call everybody lazy. Me, bro.
They want to condemn you so that he will overcome you.
Yes, me, I live with them. Nobody say they tell me. You understand? I live with these people. These guys are criminals and they go everywhere with their crime and criminality. Now, do you know people know what is called baby making factory? Very soon, Ghana will begin to explain what is called baby making factory. Do you know what they do? They will come and they will get like they will gather like 4 girls, like 9. Then find 2 boys.
Hold on. Somebody is asking us. I have so many stories here.
If you listen,
videos here on my YouTube that Igbos with Igbos, what they do is they kidnap you and ask for ransom. And if they get the ransom, if you are lucky, they will not release you. If you are unlucky, they will unalive you and eat you.
Yes, that's cannibalism.
I have
How can a human being
I have
a human being
videos.
behave like this?
I'll not lie to
Bro,
you.
And we allow him to live among
I have a video,
within
I
a
have a
community.
video right now on my YouTube right now. If you see,
How come?
Just go to my YouTube. It's there.
You see,
click on
bruh.
the link.
For Mama Kalini, media asempa medinam. Ajinyame Spiritual and Herbal Center. Na me kire say ajinyame no. Honhom adwuma. Enema nko an no ye. Enti ye to yensa afrem. Say ye yare, say ye akwantu, say ye problem bi, say ye awo. Say obe ma na ntimi nsore. Say hu oba wontimi ne nda. Bra. Na ajinyame say omo beboa. Say honhom adwuma nko an no omo ye wo. Omo ye adwuma. Because obi ye adwuma na cheso ye adwuma. Owo YouTube subscribe. Say ajinyame Spiritual and Herbal Center. Ne wura mu na abetensem wo hu adwuma omo ye ho dismiss.